Not every revolution arrives with noise. Some arrive early and simply keep working. While the crypto world chased hype, one blockchain stayed focused on speed, reliability, and the original promise of peer-to-peer money. This is the story of Litecoin, LTC, Bitcoin's quiet counterpart, the network that never stopped processing transactions, and the cryptocurrency that refused to disappear. In the early days of crypto, there was Bitcoin, and then there was Litecoin. No DeFi, no NFTs, no hype cycles, just digital cash. Litecoin launched in 2011, created by Charlie Lee, a former Google engineer. His goal was simple: improve Bitcoin without replacing it. Faster, lighter, more accessible. Bitcoin was revolutionary, but slow. Block times were long. Fees could rise. Every transaction competed for space. Litecoin reduced block times to 2.5 minutes. Speed mattered. Litecoin is a Layer 1 cryptocurrency. Its native asset is LTC. It is used for payments, transfers, and store of value. Simple, reliable, efficient. Litecoin introduced faster block generation, script mining algorithm, and higher transaction throughput. It wasn't radical, it was practical. Litecoin uses proof of work. Its script algorithm was designed to reduce ASIC dominance, at least initially. Mining remained accessible. Decentralization mattered. Bitcoin became digital gold. Litecoin became digital silver. A medium of exchange, a testing ground, a complementary network. Not competitors, partners. Litecoin adopted innovations early: SegWit, Lightning Network, atomic swaps. It tested upgrades before Bitcoin adopted them. Quiet leadership. Many altcoins disappeared. Litecoin didn't. Through multiple cycles, it continued producing blocks without downtime. Reliability builds trust. Litecoin gained adoption in payment processors and merchants. Fast confirmation, low fees, global reach, digital cash, as originally intended. Litecoin added optional privacy features, not mandatory, not hidden by default. A balance between transparency and user choice. Today, Litecoin is one of the longest-running blockchains, a trusted payment network, a proven proof-of-work system, a reliable digital currency. No rebranding, no reinvention, just consistency. Litecoin is often called boring, but boring is stable. Boring is reliable. Boring survives. Charlie Lee stepped back from daily leadership, not to abandon, but to decentralize. The network continues without him. That was always the goal. As digital payments expand, Litecoin remains relevant, not as a trend, but as infrastructure. Litecoin matters because it works, it lasts, it scales without drama, it fulfills Bitcoin's original vision. Not every blockchain needs reinvention. Bitcoin changed money. Litecoin made it spendable. It didn't chase narratives, it built reliability. This was the story of Litecoin, LTC, the silver that never rusted. This is Echoes of the Past.